Order submitted. Order filled.
Taking this double signal. I didn't get it the first time it broke through. It was probably the second or third time it broke through. We have an AI breakout of the previous with a backdoor. Got a huge down move. Now it has to come back up a little bit on this pullback. Three signals: backdoor, backdoor, small arrow, ultimate AI large arrow. You only need like one of these a day.
Stop filled.
Right, here's the ES 5 minute. We do have a backdoor right up here. Ultimate AI large red. If we break the previous or the backdoor, should be a nice short trade. I'll just
Order
get ready
submitted.
for it. Had a nice up move so far today. Now it's going to be a backdoor breakout of the signal
Order
candle,
filled.
and we are filled on that. Another signal coming in, which would be breakout of the previous. And I have three contracts here. I'm going to lock in. I hope it comes all the way down to here.
Stop filled.
Here we had a nice down move on the 1 minute ES
Order
with a
submitted.
really tight backdoor. Going long again.
Order filled.
So if you took the backdoor or the breakout of the previous with any of these two arrows here, you would have had a nice move. And now the backside's there with a backdoor signal as well. This is three contracts, ES, 1 minute. And that's my cat.
Stop filled.
All right, that was a good little scalp here. There's two scalps in a row on the 1 minute.
Order submitted. Order filled. Target filled. Stop filled.
Possible backdoor here, backside of the small arrow or backdoor arrow. We have a buy entry right here. I'll just get ready for it. If we get a bounce off the blue line here and this blue line here, which is a support resistance line, we're still on top of all the VWAPs. So this may be a nice little pullback, and hopefully it takes my backdoor entry and just goes higher. We'll just set up and be ready for that.
Order filled.
Okay, we did get filled on this backdoor, which is also a backside if you have Ultimate AI. If you do have Silver Strategy, this is also a Slingshot trade. I'm going to manually move my stops today. Once I get above this level, breaking through these highs here, I'll come in with my stop a little tighter. Alright, about at break even right now with the stop. Or I'm right around 330, $300 with 3 contracts. You don't really need a lot of these trades every day, although they happen everywhere. You just have to decide how much is enough for yourself, or if you want to let this try to go higher, or you want to lock in the profit. I like to lock in. Okay, pretty nice move so far. Probably get stopped out here, and I do not mind.
Stop filled.
Okay, so the trade was a backdoor. Also, it's a backside if you have Ultimate AI. Or if you just have the Silver Strategy, it is a Slingshot. Here is the blue Ultimate AI support resistance line. Okay, still hasn't filled my order. It's tracked back about 50% or so, and now it's gonna probably come down and fill my order. I like this because I'm pretty
Order filled.
far away from this blue line here. Means I've got some points to go, which will make me money on the way down to meet this blue line. Could get out right now if I wanted to, just to scalp it. Okay, I'm right around 240 bucks. Now I'm just going to protect myself here and ride it down. I will take this 300 bucks and run if it stops me out.
Stop filled.
Fine by me. Made money on the way up, made money on the way down. I mean, it really doesn't get any easier than this. It pulls back, get in. I can get in again if I
Order
think it's
submitted.
good.
Order filled.
If I still think there's more room to go down, and there certainly is, so I'm going to bring my stop in again. If I get stopped out now, so what? It'll probably be 100 and some bucks. Wow, it's so hard. Only 3 contracts, 2 trades. I'm almost over $1,000 about. Coming right back down to the blue line. Now it'll stop me
Stop
out,
filled.
see? It could go down further. It doesn't matter, I got the money that I wanted on both of these scalps. All right, here's
Order
a 5
submitted.
minute backdoor gonna happen right
Order
here.
filled.
It's been a very sideways day on the 5 minute because of news, waiting on news. So the ultimate AI breakout of the previous bars high. We also have a backdoor under here that where I placed my order to get in. We have a nice climb out. And I'm going to take what I can get out of it.
Stop filled.
All right, that's fine. That was a nice little gain here on some difficult sideways on the 5 minute. But you get an opportunity here with a backdoor, a signal.
Order submitted.
Here's another backdoor in this sideways action. It's very blocky, this action. Continuous bounces off the blue EMA here and the VWAP, and hovering around ultimate AI 15 minute support resistance lines. Let's see if I can
Order
get
filled.
anything off of this little backdoor. Right, it's a long candle here, expected a 50% pullback. I'll take that if it happens, as much as I can. Be coming up on things to bounce off of. Must be some
Stop
news.
filled.
Okay, so I had a backdoor here that worked, a backdoor here that worked. I had to wait a little bit as it went up and down before it started to make me money. So again, it's coming back to this level here and bouncing. All right, let's look at this huge down move we had here. Successful backdoor, successful breakout of the signal candle right around the same area. Huge down move, big candle here. You can expect if you're going to have a pullback, it's going to go up and pull back a little bit off of this big huge move. It looks like it's climbing out
Order
on
submitted.
this candle,
Order filled.
and I'm going to take it. Now it could get some resistance here on this blue line. I'll take $100 off this. I'll take $200 off this. This is a pullback here, so I don't know how high it's going to go. But these are reversals here. This arrow here could, it looks for reversals. So this
Stop filled.
candle ended up having more power than I actually thought it would. I didn't think it would power through this high, but it did. I just followed the signals. Very nice. Okay, we had a nice up move. We had a nice back door.
Order
We're going to
submitted.
bounce off the 20 EMA here. I mean, we're still in a down move. So I'm expecting some kind of bounce here, hopefully. And we can take it on this back door. Or, since it's pulled back, there may be a break to the upside. So we'll be ready for both if it happens. I like the down move. It could be a really powerful down move because we're in this down trend.
Order filled.
Filled my order, bounced right off this blue line. All right, I want to lock in something. I don't care if it's $100 or whatever. I'm trying to lock in. I don't want to lose any on this pullback.
Stop filled.
And I did get stopped out. But I did get something. He's bouncing off this area right here.
Order submitted. Order filled.
get in it again. I'll take another $100. No problem. All right. Great move. Great backdoor. Great signals here. $1,200. Stop me out now. I don't care. This is a 5-minute NQ. Here is another resistance line right here. Stop me out. I'm fine. I'm at $1,500. 3 contracts.
Stop filled.
Right, you saw the move going up on the back door. You saw the move coming down on the back door. Multiple signals for each one. This will be breakout of the signal candles with the back door. If it happens.
Order filled.
Okay, pretty steep downturn. I expect just a little bit of money here. I'll be pretty cautious about it.
Stop filled.
All right, that was a nice little gain here on this pullback of it. We're in a downtrend. How high is it going to go? I don't know. If it's going to reverse here, great. It'll keep going. If not, we could just have a pullback and then another down move. So I don't want to stay in it forever. I just want to take my money and run and then get the next down move.